Okay guys, so what are we talking about today? Well, today we're talking about a brand new Facebook group called Window Cleaning Legends. Now, it's available right now. What is Window Cleaning Legends and why is this different from any other Facebook page? Well, the difference is that although a lot of Facebook groups and pages on window cleaning are full of really good information and usually are set up with the best of intentions, unfortunately there does tend to be a lot of sort of squabbling and drama and all this kind of thing. So the founder of the page, called John Ryan, you've perhaps heard of him on YouTube. He has his own window cleaning, lawn care and that kind of thing on YouTube, his channel. So we're going to leave a link in the description below to his YouTube page. Lovely, lovely guy. And yeah, so it was his idea to create this page. Create a friendly, upbuilding and informative place where we could all just come together and share information between each other in a nice, respectful way. So how are we going to achieve this? Well, basically, John has asked myself, TradGirl, and there's a few others as well to be involved on the page, and basically just to be moderators of the page. So we're going to try and make sure we keep everything clean and friendly and informative. So especially for you new guys, if you're coming along and you want to ask a genuine question and you don't want to be bombarded with, you know, stop being a numpty, or, you know, you're holding your squeegee the wrong way, or your pole's set up wrong and all this kind of stuff that sometimes unfortunately tends to happen in these other Facebook groups. We're going to be trying to keep it so that those kind of people, unfortunately, if that is the way that they are and they're not going to bring anything informative and positive to the page, then those kind of people won't be allowed to remain on the page. This page is purely for you guys who are window cleaning legends that have a passion for the trade. The same as me, the same as TradGirl and John Ryan and all the other lovely people that are going to be helping to create and build this page. Now there's loads of people who have already joined and it's only been up and going for about a week or so. So we just thought I'd let you know about it. So it's Window Cleaning Legends on Facebook. We're going to be leaving the link in the description below to that Facebook group, and again also to John Ryan's page, the founder of the page. So we're leaving that in the description for you. If you've got any questions at all, guys, please do just ask, pop it in the comments below, and make sure we get those answered for you. Alright guys, thank you very much for tuning in. It is much appreciated. I'm Tradman, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now, guys.